Hello everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, we brought in our Skidoo citation 250. So what we have planned for this machine is we actually want to put a 136 on it. So these sleds were basically a mini Tundra. And so putting a 136 on it, you technically make yourself a Tundra. It's just the gearing is just a little bit different inside the chain case. But other than that, you basically got yourself a Tundra. So I'm pretty excited of us getting this built. This is going to be one nice machine. So what we are going to be doing, first of all, we're going to be taking the motor, the clutch, everything out of here. Then we're going to go to the suspension and get all tore down. Then we're going to go get it washed and cleaned out because there's a lot of gunk down there. Then after that, we are going to be figuring out how to get a 136 underneath here. So I think it's a 1.97 pitch track, meaning we got to change the track and the drivers because the 136 we have is a 2.52 pitch track. So I don't know exactly how we're going to do that. We'll just have to see it once we get down there and figure that out once we're there. So that's what you'll be seeing in this video. So please stay tuned and keep watching. Hello everybody, welcome back. So as you can see, we are starting to paint the hood. So we came up with a color scheme of black, white, orange, and yellow. So I think the hood's going to look really nice. So you'll see the finished product when we're all done. So the motor was a pretty big problem. So what happened was, I think, is that the automatic oiler stopped oiling, meaning it was running straight fuel, and then it got really hot, and there was a lot of scoring that happened on the inside of this. So here's what it looked like when we first opened it up, and here's what the piston looked like. It looks almost worse. So what we did was we went and took a ball hone and honed this for quite a while, because we were kind of thinking to ourselves that at this point, can we really hurt it? So we honed that thing for 15 minutes straight. Oh no, by the looks of it, looked like it helped quite a bit. So as you can see, there's just a few discolorations left, but they're not no little ridges on here. They're just little divots. That's all. So another good thing is that these are all below the ports, meaning they don't affect the compression at all. So that's, I think the motor is in runnable condition. So we bought a new piston for it. We're going to be putting a new piston in here. You'll see kind of this process going on. So the driver, we had a couple problems. It was 1.97 pitch. We needed to be 2.52 pitch. Problem one. Problem two. This is a 1 1/8 shaft. We need it to be 1 inch because the 2.52 pitch drivers we have are 1 inch shaft. So we had to bore out the inside of the 2.52 pitch drivers so it'd slide over this. And then we need to weld these brackets on so we could bolt it to this so it wouldn't spin. So this was a pretty big chore getting this done, but it all worked out, and I'm actually kind of pretty proud of it. There's only a little bit of a kick to one of these. I think that was just when welding, it just warped a little bit, but not enough to throw the whole thing out where it actually wouldn't work inside the track. So that's okay. Just a little earlier today, we went and got kind of the skis kind of cleaned up. We didn't go too crazy because the ski is powder coated, so we just kind of sanded and took it off where it was starting to chip and left a lot of the good paint. We'll just paint right over that. A few days ago, we got the tunnel extension made for the Citation. Here's what it looked like dry fitted. Okay, all right. So the suspension don't look good at all. It needs a lot of work. New bearings, new bushings, a lot of TLC needs to go into the suspension. So you'll be seeing that one in the next video, because this is going to be the end of this video. So next time you'll be seeing the finishing up of the project, and hopefully have the Citation running. I very hope so. Okay, so please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications when new videos are uploaded. My part 2 of this, because I don't want you to miss it, because it's going to be a good video. I promise you. So, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.